Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I've got quite a lot of things that I want to share with you today. As you can probably tell, for those of you who've been asking about the pregnancy, the baby's not here just yet, but I am very close and expecting him to come any day now. So naturally I've been taking it a lot easier and I've really slowed down and been resting up, but it still hasn't stopped me from trading. That's the beauty of the swing trading strategy that I use trading Forex. Because it is simple, powerful and flexible, so I've been able to still trade around being able to take some time out to look after myself with the pregnancy. If you want some more information about the swing trading strategy that I use to trade the Forex markets, I have created a video which I will share a link above for. It's a step-by-step video showing the swing trading strategy. I've also been receiving a lot of comments from subscribers asking how I'm getting on with my Forex Funds account challenge, which I was carrying out at the end of last year around Christmas time. Bit of a tricky time to carry out a trading challenge, let alone the fact that I'm also pregnant. While I am still active in the account, and for those of you who don't know what My Forex Funds are, they are a trading prop firm. So that means that you can pay to carry out a challenge with them. And if you pass their challenge and if you follow their rules, you can gain access to a funded trading account, where you're able to trade and make a nice profit depending on how much money you have in that account. So for myself, I've been working with their $50,000 account challenge, so I have to make 8% target, I have to respect their rules, and if I can do all that within the time period, I can get access to an account of $50,000 for trading. If you want some more information about My Forex Funds, I have created a video above. It shows you pretty much everything you need to know about the prop firm, and I highly recommend checking it out if it's something you're interested in, because I can't say enough good things about My Forex Funds. They've been an incredibly supportive prop firm to work with so far. So as it happens for myself with My Forex Funds, I didn't manage to hit the target in time because of Christmas and other things that were going on. But I did respect their rules, and more importantly, I did finish green in my account. So My Forex Funds have actually given me another chance at the challenge for free. And I'm going to jump onto the computer in a moment with you guys, share with you my account, and also share with you an update on my trading so far this year. And make sure you stick around, because towards the end of the video I have a really beautiful trade recap to share with you on Euro Australian dollar, where I share a breakdown of my swing trading strategy, and it made a really nice return on the account. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe below if you're not already part of the channel, and let's jump onto the charts. Okay guys, so I'm in my platform here on MetaTrader 4, looking at the account that I have with My Forex Funds. As you can see, I'm currently in an order that's working itself out on USD cards. I've got a couple of pending orders here. But first of all, let's go into my account history. I'm going to make this bigger and share with you the trades that I've taken so far. Okay guys, so here are my current trades I've taken since my initial deposit of $50,000. So I'm halfway through my second week with My Forex Funds, and as it stands as I'm recording this video, I've taken 8 trades. Out of those 8 trades, I've had 1 break even, I've had 4 losing trades and 3 winning trades. Now, although my accuracy rate is not as high, I have been winning more than I've been losing, which has put me up in profit on the account. So ordinarily this would have put me up 4% on the account. However, for this challenge, I've been taking a reduced risk, because I usually risk 1% of my account per trade. However, I've been risking 0.5% of my account per trade, which means that overall now I'm currently sat up 2% on the account, which I guess is still a really good result for the first week of trading this account challenge, especially at the beginning of the year. And I don't know about you guys, but I have found that the market's been a little bit choppy this year. It's a little bit slow going. So I'm really happy with my progress as it stands at the moment. Never mind the fact that any day now, baby could also come along. It does add an element of excitement to trading. So as you can see here, these are the losing trades that I've been taking, minus 0.5% on the account. And then the winning trades are noticeably larger because I have been gaining more than I have been losing. And I'm going to share with you the trade recap for Euro Australian dollar, because it's a really beautiful trade and it really shares the swing trading strategy that I've been using quite clearly. So I think it will really help you out if you want to be trading something similar. So I've jumped onto the charts here on TradingView. This is the platform that I use to analyze the charts. I have got a link below if you want to check them out. They've got some really great tools, including this backtesting tool, which means that I have removed the present day candles from the charts and gone back in time so that I can show you step by step my process for taking this trade. So first of all, we're on the 4-hourly time frame here, and I'm going to just zoom out so that we can get a good overall picture of the market. And what I was interested in is we were first of all coming down here, and then we started to bounce a little bit, and price pulled back to this level here. It came down, but it didn't break this previous low, and in fact we made a new high here. So I was interested here that we might be seeing a trend shift to the long side. Zooming in a little bit, as prices come back down here, it still didn't break this previous low, and we seem to be consolidating here and moving higher. So this was further confirming to me that we were looking for a long position for this pair. Once I'd established what side I was looking at for price action, I then started to look at more recent price action to identify the best place to get into this position. First of all, I looked at this area here, this area of interest, because this is where price had pulled back to, and it couldn't break lower from, and then we'd actually popped up and broken this level. And I thought this might be an interesting level to return to create some retests, find some structure before moving higher. I was also interested in the length of this measurement here, so I used this tool which helps to measure what that length is, and I applied it to the highs, and you can see that price has actually pulled back the same measurement as this previous measurement here. And this is a strategy that I use for the swing trading. It's using these reaction leg measurements, and I find that they can provide a really nice confluence for trades to support entries. And one final tool that I utilized was this modified shift fork, which I applied to the previous pullback here. When price was making its down push, and then we have basically broken that, I added the fork to try to gauge an idea for a target. So zooming in here and looking at what I've drawn out, I'm quite interested in getting long around about this level here of the reaction leg measurement. That's in confluence with this range structure, so my stop has got to be below this level. And initially for a target, I was looking for both a break of the high and also this upper median line of the fork. So when I extended this out, I decided to set this at a 4R target. Once I created my trade plan, I set my order here. I set a limit order, and price activated that order, and I was into the trade. And as you can see, this is a really nice trade because once I got activated in, price pretty much pushed up in my direction, so I wasn't in drawdown for very long on this. And as price started to push up here, I decided that I wanted to manage this trade. So initially, after this level here where we had a new low form and we broke it, I brought my stop up to break even. And then as price continued pushing up, I actually trailed a very tight stop at this level here. And why did I do that? I did that because this would have been 3R, which is 3 times what I was risking for this trade, and I am in an account challenge, so I'm just conscious that I want to get the wins on this account challenge. I want to build my profit cushion. So I did trail a stop here, and in the end price did come and stop me out. So I didn't get 4R for this trade, I actually got a 3R, which is still a really nice win. And if I just play this out to see what happens, you can see that if I had left it, eventually price would have hit my original target of 4R. It would have hit it the next day. So I could have left it and I could have got that win, but I am happy still with a profit of 3R, which with my reduced risk means that I made 1.5% on this trade. So there's an insight for you on the swing trading strategy that I've been using to trade the financial markets. If you've got any questions about them, please do let me know below in the comments. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel below if you're not already subscribed. And I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.